Guys, I lived in Virginia for 2 years and everybody's been telling me I need to go to McAfee's knob. Well, we're finally going to do it, baby. Yeah. Welcome back to the channel, baby. We're at the famous McAfee's knob trailhead. Sam, are you ready? Tell me. He's ready. I can't believe it's this packed on a Tuesday. It's crazy. Right now we're at 2,000 feet, but that's about to change. All right, here we got the map. It's 8 miles round trip, 4 there, 4 back. We got some shelters on the way. We'll check those out. This is a really busy road and a very dangerous crossing. Yeah, we know. That's okay, because we got a nice leash. Okay, I haven't even gone a quarter mile, but the shirt and the hat had to come off. All right, we found this written on the wall of the shelter. It spells Setor Arepo Tena Opera Rotas, but it also says the same thing this way too. The exact same thing. So I'm gonna have to look this up and find out what it means. This is so cool. Sam is in the middle of 5 trees growing together. Pretty cool. All right, so we're halfway there, 2 miles in. Soaked in sweat, but that's okay. It's actually starting to cool off. You know, we're actually on the Appalachian Trail, the one that goes from Georgia to Maine, over 2,000 miles. I read a book about this trail called As Far as the Eye Can See by David Brill. And one good piece of advice that I got from that book is when you're hiking, especially these long distances, never make decisions while you're going uphill or while it's raining, because a lot of people experience a little bit of rough times and then they decide to go home. Maybe this isn't for them, but you know what? I bet you when they go home, they regret it and they wish they was back here out on the trail again. If you thought public bathrooms weren't scary enough, here's a porta potty out in the middle of the woods. And I guess it's bring your own toilet paper. Yuck. So now we're almost to the top, well, to the knob anyways. We found this huge swath cut out for these power lines. It's crazy. Made it to the top. Yeah. Well guys, it took about 2 hours, but we finally made it to the top. It's pretty awesome up here. So for lunch today, we got ground turkey, egg noodles, stewed tomatoes, cilantro, and of course, shredded cheese. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting all this traffic on a Tuesday. By the way, I'm back to 3 on, 3 off again at work, so hopefully I'll be able to go hiking more and put out some more videos. See. So this is an access road for what I'm assuming are the big power lines up there. And a lady that I passed just told me this goes all the way to the parking lot. But you know, I don't know if I want to do that or stay on the trail, because that might be a risk. Nah, I think we're going to stay on the trail, because knowing my luck, I'll end up bushwhacking and getting ate up by thorns. So we'll just stay on the marked trail and not take that access road. But maybe that's something for next time. This is just to show you how well trained Sam is. Stop. Get behind me. Get behind me. And he'll stay behind me until I tell him, get in the front, go. Get in the front, go. Good boy. Stop. Good boy. Here we see the rare squirrel dog in his natural habitat. Same look. I can't believe how many people I saw today, even at the summit, with no food, no water, just a pair of leggings and the audacity. All right, so that access road is actually the blue you see here called the Fire Road. And it also says it's not marked or maintained for hikers, so it's a good thing that I didn't go down that road. And we're back. Parking lot is still packed, y'all. This is crazy. These ones couldn't find any parking spots, so they just made a parking lane in the middle. That's pretty cool. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. It was a really challenging hike, and I would only recommend it to people who are experienced. Sam enjoyed it. He's probably gonna be passed out on the way home. We're gonna go home, take a shower, and go to bed probably.